Hello and welcome to this video on how to avoid common mistakes for a healthier life. It's easy to fall into unhealthy habits, but with a few simple adjustments, you can start living a healthier lifestyle today. Let's get started. Avoiding sleep deprivation. First and foremost, getting enough sleep is crucial for a healthy life. Lack of sleep can lead to weight gain, mood swings, and decreased productivity. Aim for at least 7-8 hours of sleep each night and try to establish a consistent sleep schedule. Poor diet. Another common mistake is eating a poor diet. Processed foods, high in sugar and unhealthy fats, can lead to weight gain and chronic health issues. Instead, aim for a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. This will provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function properly. Sedentary lifestyle. Sitting for extended periods of time can lead to back pain, poor posture, and weight gain. To avoid these problems, try to incorporate more movement into your day. Take short walks throughout the day, use a standing desk, and find an exercise routine that you enjoy. Lack of hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for good health. Dehydration can lead to headaches, fatigue, and poor concentration. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day and try to avoid sugary drinks. Neglecting mental health. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Neglecting it can lead to stress, anxiety, and depression. Take time each day to relax and do something you enjoy. If you're struggling, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Ignoring preventive care. Preventive care, such as regular checkups and screenings, is essential for maintaining good health. Ignoring these appointments can lead to undetected health issues that can become serious over time. So there you have it, 6 common mistakes to avoid for a healthier life. By incorporating these changes into your daily routine, you'll be on your way to a healthier and happier you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.